In this video, I'm going to show you how to send referral code in Maya app. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, if you want to refer and earn challenge, sign up to Maya and download the app and register. You can use an influencer's code, open your wallet dashboard, go to your profile and submit invite code. Now go ahead, upgrade your account, then cash in at least P100 to your wallet for free to claim your P100 reward. Then return and earn yourself. You can also start earning up to 3000 P by inviting your friends and family to Maya. So this was an easy and quick process. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, thank you for watching.